Welcome back to Stoic Logic. For months, we've been building piece by piece an operating system for the soul. We've installed logic gates, debugged legacy code, and applied patches. Today, I want to share a recent experience where this entire integrated system was put to the ultimate test. It was a perfect storm of chaos. A sudden, critical project failure, compounded by an unforeseen personal crisis. Instead of collapsing, instead of being overwhelmed, my Stoic logic held up. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. Believe me, the initial tremor was there. That reactionary brain, the legacy code in all of us, wanted to panic. It screamed, "Catastrophe, everything is falling apart." But here's the crucial difference. This time, its power was diminished. It was a fleeting echo, not a dominant roar. The newly integrated system had already begun to reroute those panic signals, recognizing them as a relevant input. It was a testament to the consistent practice we've been discussing. The situation unfolded rapidly. First, the project failure. A critical system went down unexpectedly. My immediate response, almost instinctual now, was to run it through the control filter. Input, system down, project jeopardized. Logic check. Can I control the fact it went down? No. Can I control my team's response, my troubleshooting efforts, and the communication to stakeholders? Yes. Simultaneously, pre-mortem planning kicked in. What's the worst case scenario here? Total project halt. What are the immediate steps to mitigate? Notify clients, assemble a technical task force, delegate roles. This wasn't panic-driven. It was a calm, logical assessment of what next. Then, the personal crisis hit. An unexpected family emergency. Another input. Again, the control filter. Can I control the emergency itself? Largely no. Can I control my immediate actions, my support for loved ones, and my self-care? Absolutely. This wasn't just about applying one tool. It was an orchestra of logic. Reframing the bug became crucial. Both situations were not tragedies, but stress tests. Opportunities to see where the system was robust and where it might need future refinement. And the emotional reserves built through voluntary discomfort, those cold showers, those digital fasts, provided a deep well of resilience to draw from. My internal processor wasn't just executing commands. It was adapting, learning, and responding with integrated efficiency. Logic update. The cumulative power of consistent practice transforms individual modules into a cohesive, resilient operating system. Consider a finely tuned ancient machine. Gears meticulously crafted, levers perfectly balanced. It adapts not through brute force, but through integrated design. Your Stoic mind, similarly, through repeated engagement with the dichotomy of control, pre-mortem planning, and reframing, evolves into an adaptive intelligence capable of navigating future shock with profound stability. This is not simply reaction. This is a state of prepared equanimity. And now for the view from above. Look at the incredible complexity of systems around us. A city, an ecosystem, the human body itself. They are not simple. They are integrated, interdependent, and incredibly resilient, precisely because all their components work in harmony. My internal world felt like that during this challenge. No longer a collection of disparate tools, but a truly integrated, self-regulating system. The chaos became a mere ripple on a vast, deep ocean, because the ship beneath me was incredibly seaworthy. And finally, our Amor Fati moment. I am profoundly, genuinely grateful for that perfect storm. It was not just a test, it was the ultimate validation. It showed me, in undeniable real time, that the operating system for the soul we've been building is fully installed, functional, and incredibly robust. It transformed what could have been a period of immense suffering into an opportunity for deep, accelerated growth. This challenge was ultimately good. It proved that philosophical resilience isn't just theory. It's a practical, lived reality. It allows us to not just survive chaos, but to embrace it as a crucible for our strength. Keep building, keep integrating, and remember, the chaos is the curriculum. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, stay logical and embrace your fate.